Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make stir fry without a wok, only way. Use a large heavy skillet or cast iron pan over high heat, preheat until very hot, then add oil with high smoke point. Prepare ingredients in small, uniform pieces so everything cooks quickly. Cook proteins first, remove, then sear vegetables in batches to avoid steaming. Return protein, add sauce, toss until glossy and reduced, then serve immediately. Heat a heavy pan as hot as you can safely manage, and have all ingredients ready in separate bowls. Use 2 tablespoons oil with a high smoke point, and cook protein in a single layer until nicely browned. Toss in aromatics for 30 seconds, then add vegetables by cooking time order, stirring frequently. Finish with a splash of soy-based sauce and sesame oil for flavor, then serve over rice or noodles. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: the product you see here, Bento Box Make Meal Prep Easy with these leak-proof containers, is great for storing leftovers and portioning meals. I linked the product and other deals in the description so you can check them out. You'll save time and avoid spills. I appreciate your support. Now let's get back to the video. Keep your sauce simple. 3 parts soy, 1 part rice vinegar, 1 part sweetener, and a cornstarch slurry if you like it glossy. After vegetables are nearly tender, push them to the sides, pour sauce into the hot pan center to thicken quickly, then toss everything together. Taste and adjust salt, heat, or acidity. Rest briefly off heat so flavors meld, then plate with fresh scallions or toasted sesame seeds.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.